Hi slimy family, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the puddle slime. So the first thing you're going to need to do is go off your ranch to the dry reef, head past the pink and phosphor area, or however you pronounce it. Go past here into the rock slime area. Go past here. And then go past the tabby slime area and go on to the bridge. Okay? Then you're gonna need to go this way, past these, into the moss blanket. And the way to unlock the moss blanket, there's usually a door there, so you need to get a slime key from any Gordo that drops one, because some drop just like a lot of good stuff like teleporters and their slimes and such like that. But anyway, you need to go down here, go in this direction, this way. Okay, and then you're going to need to see this danger sign right there, and then you're going to need to go past it, past the boom largo. Keep going a little further. Pass through the little pipe thing here. And then right here. There should be one right around here usually. Apparently there wasn't one this time. There's one right there here. Okay, so we need to go this way. There's usually like 3 there. See, like there's a plur. Oh, there's one. Here it is, the puddle slime. The puddle slime can be found here. I don't really know where else they can be found. Oh, here and here. The moss blanket and the indigo quarry is, I think that's the only 2 places where they can spawn. Basically anywhere where there's a bit of like a puddle of water like this. That's for all slimies. I'll see you slimes next video.